Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to set Maven path on a Mac operating system. On Windows operating system, adding the system variable is pretty much easy as I shown in the last video. But when it comes to Mac operating system, it could be little tricky. We will be following the same way that will download and unzip the Maven file from the official Apache website. After that, the first step we will perform is opening a terminal. Then we will be opening the bash profile. If this bash profile is not present, we will be creating it. Sometimes this bash profile doesn't help us and it will not set the path. So in that case, we need to have ZSHRC profile present. If it is not present, we need to create one, and then we need to add the environment variable path with the bin location into that file. So these two line can tell us how to add the path. So let's try on a Mac operating system. So let's open a terminal and just try here with same command, and it also mentions that yes, this command could not be found. You can see here this is referring to a ZSH, right? So for that we need to have the ZSHRC file in our home location. So this is my by default home. What I'll do is I'll see what are the files present on my location. So for that you need to write a command ls list a. Now it will show you all the commands, all the files present. You can see here there is no .ZSHRC file is present, though we have the bash profile here. Let's open the bash profile. Open .bash profile. You can see the home path is already been added here for Maven, but still when we use the command mvn minus version, it didn't work for us. So in this case we need to have .ZSHRC file. So how to create a file here? I already have all these commands for your reference on a sticky note. You can use it here. You can write touch .ZSHRC and click enter. Now if you want to see all the files present, you can see here you have this file present now. So what we will do is we'll now open this file and it's just a blank file. So now we need to add those two lines here that I mentioned. So we will be exporting the M2 home to this location. So let's do this. Export okay, we will be defining the variable name as either Maven home or M2 underscore home, and then we will give the path. As I mentioned, I kept my Apache Maven on this applications folder. So we'll just write applications slash. Okay, so this version could be different. Just you can just copy this and paste it over there with just changing the version name. So for me it is 3.6.3. so we'll be writing Apache Maven 3.6.3. okay, and then the next line I'll be adding the path. So the path here is always the bin location. So as now m2 home is the home for Maven, then we'll be just adding the bin there. So what we'll do is so this statement, what it will do is it will not override the path, rather it will update the path with only this extra variable. That means if the path already have a lot of lines already present in it, so we will be just updating with Maven home. So for this we need to write dollar symbol path, then we need to just add the m2 home slash bin. Bin. Now it's done. So what we will do is we will now save this file, okay, and just will click here save, and we'll close it. And now we will close this, we'll quit it, we'll open a new terminal and just will write mvn hyphen version. Now you see the Maven is installed here too. So now we can go forward and we can start our running and executing the Java code which are built on a Maven project. Thank you very much for watching.